Alright, so here we go. So I got these sprockets from Motion Moto a while ago. This is the JT sprocket for the rear, then JT sprocket for the front. Steel rear, steel front. I think that's a steel front, and then like an aluminum rear over here. So we're gonna be swapping those out. So I'm gonna see what tools I need. This looks like possibly, let me see, like a 10mm maybe. Now you need the ones for the axle on both sides, and I think probably a 12 or 14 for that one right there. So we'll go ahead and grab those. And trusty cool bolt. I'll grab that. I'm not sure if I'll need an extension, but I'll grab one of those anyway. And I think a 10, 12, and 14 on those. And then we'll come up here and we grab probably a 14, a 12, and a 10. Put that back. Come over here and lay stuff out. And I think we'll need one for those, which might be, let me see, that's about a little loose on a 14 end, and that one might be a 17 on that side. So go ahead and grab, this will be a 17, maybe a 9/16 and a half, just for the fun of it. So we'll go ahead and start taking the rear tire off now, just to make things easier. Cranking our way. Those. So definitely be a good time to clean spacers and all that cool stuff. So we'll go ahead and set the tire down over here. And what you want to do next is basically remove these four, which should be the 14. And just so you're not smacking stuff, put that extension on there and take those four out. It's always easier if you just put the tire up this way. Pretty loose. You can put Loctite on these, or you can just leave them how they are. They do have like that lock nut part on the end of it. But basically that's all it is. You take your sprocket off, and there's your stock sprocket. Set that aside here. Grab a new sprocket. And here's the new sprocket, an old sprocket setup. Line it up. It's a little bit bigger, like it should be. And you can lay it on the flat side. Line it up here. Make sure basically all your holes line up, and you should be good to put it back on. Just grab it, throw it on there just like that. Put the nuts back on it, tighten it to specs. It shouldn't really be that tight because it wasn't that tight to take them off. Trying to screw those on a little bit before you start cranking it. That way, make sure you don't cross thread them, which is going to be a pain in the ass if you do. And once you got them loose on there, go ahead and just start cranking them down a little bit evenly, essentially. You don't want to tighten them yet, you just want them to be snug. Okay, and then you can pretty much put them a little bit past snug. I'll make sure that thing stays on there. But there you go. Get the bigger sprocket on there. There's a 37 tooth. Okay, and basically to install, you'd be looking at the reverse thing.